Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to verify WhatsApp using Google Voice number. Recently I made a video on how to get a working Google Voice number. I made this video about a month ago and that video is still very effective, and some people are contacting me asking how to use this Google Voice number they got from this video I made to verify their WhatsApp. And in that video I made the tutorial using a website called VoIP Digits. Here's the video I made recently. Let me show you guys the video. Here's the video, how to create Google Voice number 2022. You can see I made it about a month ago. So today I want to show you how to verify WhatsApp with the number you got from this website using this video. Even if the number, your Google Voice number, you didn't get it from this website, this video can also show you how to verify your WhatsApp using your Google Voice number. So let's quickly dive into the tutorial. But before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel if you are new to the channel, and if you're an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back. So you go to your Google Play Store, you download the Google Voice application. If you don't have it already installed in your phone, I have it in my phone, so I will just go and launch the application. Since I have it in my phone, launch the application. I'll have to switch to the email I'm using, for my Google Voice. If the email is not yet logged in, you click on add another account. So I'll have to select the email I'm using and I'll click on continue. Click on skip, click on allow. Now I've successfully logged in into my Google Voice. These are my chats from Google Voice, the text message I've received from different clients, text message I've received, even WhatsApp number. So now for us to verify our WhatsApp using this Google Voice number, we'll click on these three lines at the top left. You click on settings, you scroll down, you come to, you check this do not disturb. If it's turned off, you turn it on. Make sure your do not disturb is turned on. Once your do not disturb is turned on, you scroll back to the top, then you copy this your Google Voice number at the top here. You click on it to copy it. We've copied ours. Then you minimize and you go to your WhatsApp. You go to your WhatsApp application, you launch your WhatsApp application, you select the language, you click on agree and continue. Then you change your country. As you can see, mine is currently in Nigeria. I will have to change it to United States. Then you paste the copied number and you click on next. Wait for it to connect. You click on OK. We'll click on, you can click on resend SMS. As you can see, we are asked to wait for 37 more minutes before they can resend another SMS, because I did this recently. I did it a few minutes ago. So we'll use the call me option. You click on call me. It's requesting a call. We're using the call me option. We'll get a call from Google Voice. Let's just wait for a while. We are using the call me option. Let me go to my Google Voice. I might have received the call. Yet to receive the call. Yes, we've currently received the call. As you can see, you check the call at your voicemail. Now we've received the call. You've received the call. Look at it. This is the message. You click on it. Is a voice mail.
Your verification code is 237420. Your verification code is 237.
237.
Your verification code is
420. As you can see, we've been verified. Click on continue. Allow. Then you enter. WhatsApp is currently looking for backups. So here we enter our email. Sorry, you enter your name. For example, let me just enter my name. You can enter your profile picture and click on next. Our WhatsApp is currently initializing. Let's give it some time. As you can see, welcome to WhatsApp. Yeah, now we are in the WhatsApp interface. So guys, that is it on how to verify your WhatsApp number with Google Voice. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.